Chandra Vidyanketan High School, Karimnagar. Do you know what's a hexagon? Yes, it has 6 equal line segments. And you think that what we can do with this hexagon, right? We can do many wonders with this hexagon. Now let me share a wonder to you. See, we'll be confused and we can't remember the trigonometric ratios, right? To become it easy, I'll share a trick. Here we know that tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta. And tan reciprocal is cot theta. Tan reciprocal is to cot theta. Now there are two remaining, cosec and sec. Draw a vertical line in between the sin and cos. Then at the right side of the hexagon, the letter starts with C. So here cosec and the remaining is sec. Here sec. Now sin theta is reciprocal to cosec theta. That implies sin theta is equals to 1 by cosec theta. And the last one is cot theta reciprocal to sec theta. That implies cos theta is equals to 1 by sec theta. Now let us see how to find trigonometric identities easily. First let us draw an arrow. This arrow represents that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. And next, this tells us 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta. Tan square theta plus 1 is equals to sec square theta. This is a clockwise direction. Now let us see anti-clockwise direction. First draw an arrow like this. This arrow tells us 1 minus cos square theta is equals to sin square theta. And this arrow tells us cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. This tells us sec square theta minus 1 is equals to tan square theta. Now let's see the clockwise direction. The trigonometric ratios are tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta, sin theta is equals to cos theta by cot theta, cos theta is equals to cot theta by cosec theta. Now let's go into anti-clockwise direction. Tan theta is equals to sec theta by cosec theta. Sin theta is equals to tan theta by sec theta. Cos theta is equals to sin theta by tan theta. These are the clockwise direction and anti-clockwise directions of trigonometric ratios. Now let's see the relation between function and its reciprocal. Look at this figure. You will be observed that if we multiply function and its reciprocal, we get 1. See, tan theta into cot theta is equals to 1. Sin theta into cosec theta is equals to 1. Cos theta into sec theta is equals to 1. Thank you. I hope you have understood today's class. Thank you for giving this great opportunity. Thank you.